Can you hear that? That's nature. Can you hear the birds? Hey, in like 5, 6, 7 months, you see these mallards right here? See the baby ones? Yeah, they're looking good. I'm gonna be harvesting these little suckers, not because I want to, because I'm gonna have to. No more going to Costco, guys, or Chinese restaurants. These suckers are gonna be on the menu, and I'm gonna have to take a class in field dressing, hunt these little suckers. So grow up big and strong, guys and gals. I love duck legs and I love duck thighs. Just a little bit of salt and pepper. Love you guys. With gratitude, I'm gonna eat you guys like you're going out of style. Love, Matthew.